Hello, my name is Don Fiedler. I am a software engineer at Rice Lake Weighing Systems, and today we're going to discuss the 720i Advanced Truck In-Out mode. Okay, the Advanced Truck mode has 1,496 transactional truck registers. This is actually the in and out weighment of the transaction. So when it weighs in, that is the start of the transaction. When it weighs out, that is completing the transaction. It supports keyed tares as well as calculated tares with the full and empty truck. It always will use the light value as the empty truck weight. It has the capability of storing 99 materials, customers, and sources. We have 4 different reports: summary, daily, detail, and the code list, and we will discuss more of these through the presentations. The tickets are printed using the auxiliary print formats that are built into the 720. They can be reprinted immediately following your first print. Reports. So in this section we're going to look at a few of the different reports that are available with the Advanced Truck mode. So I'm going to press the reports key and we will start with summary. So with the summary, you actually choose a date range that you want to print your reports through. So if we had a week's worth or a couple weeks worth of transactions, we'd be able to print those transactions out. So in our example, we've only done 1 day's worth of transactions, so I'm just going to leave it with today's date in there. And then we need to select how we want to sort these reports on. So do I want to do a material report, a customer report, or a source report? So in this case, I'm going to just select material, and then you can choose whether you want to print all the materials or a single material. So I'm going to select all, and our report printed to Procom, and you can see it's fairly detailed. I will scroll up a little bit so everybody can see the header information there. And so it printed all of a report for all of our materials, and you'll see it subtotals each material. So in this case there actually was 4 transactions for the first ID, potatoes, so it did a subtotal of those. The next one down was corn. That only had 1 transaction, so it only did a subtotal for 1 item there. And then the last one was soybeans, and again, only 1 transaction, so only 1 subtotal for that. Let's look at the daily report now. And again, here we choose the date that we want to, the specific day we want to print here. And here we choose whether we're going to print for the whole day or the shift. So in our case, we've only got one shift set up currently, so I'm going to just press all. And here we get a detailed report of all of our transactions run for that shift. And then we have our detail reports. And here we can select whether we want to print all the transactions or pending transactions. You may want to look to see, you know, if an operator forgot to weigh some transactions out, you may want to print the pending transactions and go purge those. So in this case, I know that we printed them all, or we weighed them all out, so I'm going to press all here. And again, we get another detailed report of all our transactions that have been run. Okay, and the last one would be the code list, and we've already done these, but we have our materials, our customers, and our source registers. So this completes our reports section.